Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. We have discussed the five types of nouns in the last class. Which are the five types of nouns? Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material nouns. Today, we can discuss the topics countable and uncountable nouns and singular and plural nouns. What is a countable noun? Nouns that we can count by using the numbers are known as countable nouns. Example, car. We can count the cars like one car, two cars, three cars, etc. Books. We can count one book or two books or four books. Then trees. We can count one tree or four trees, etc. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that we cannot count using numbers. Example, sugar. We can't count sugar as one sugar, two sugars, something like that. But instead, by adding suitable countable nouns to the uncountable noun, we can measure or count the uncountable nouns. Example, sugar is an uncountable noun, but we can measure it by adding the suitable countable noun 2 spoons of sugar or 1 spoon of sugar. Water. Water is also an uncountable noun, but we can measure water by using a bottle of water or 2 bottles of water. Abstract nouns and material nouns are usually uncountable nouns. What is an abstract noun? The names given to emotions, concepts, ideas, etc. are known as abstract nouns. Example, happiness or angry. We can't count happiness or angry. Then material noun. What is a material noun? The names given to raw materials that exist in nature or created by humans are known as material nouns. Example, water, honey, etc. We cannot count that also by using numbers. These are examples for uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are divided into two, singular and plural. What is a singular noun? Singular means one in number and plural means more than one. That means many. Example, book and books. Book is the singular noun and books is the plural noun. Car and cars. Car is a singular noun and cars is the plural noun. We can use the articles a and the with singular nouns. Example, a car, a pen, a pencil, an orange, the orange. If we want to specify something, we can use the with the countable nouns. The apple. I need the red apple in the basket. So here we are specifying the color of the apple or the apple. We cannot use the articles a and an with the plural nouns. We can't say a cars or a books, etc. But we can use the definite article the with plural nouns. Example, the cars. I mentioned the cars which I saw yesterday. Like that we can use the definite article the with both singular and plural nouns. Countable nouns can be qualified by words such as many, several, one, two, etc. Example, a few buildings, many houses, or many plants. Uncountable nouns can be qualified by the words such as some, much, a little, and less. Example, some coffee or less sleep. I need some water or I need some coffee. Let us learn more about this uncountable and countable and singular and plural nouns. Some countable nouns such as jeans, spectacles, pants, scissors, binoculars, trousers, that end with an S form their plurals differently. We use the phrase a pair of before these nouns. Such phrases are called quantifiers. So, if we want to make the plural of these nouns, we should add two pairs of or three pairs of. Example, my uncle bought me two pairs of jeans on my birthday. Zafar bought a pair of binoculars for bird watching. Some abstract nouns such as color and liberty are countable in some context. Example, the new series of books is full of color. Here the word color is an uncountable noun. Next sentence, I like vibrant colors. Here the word colors is a countable noun. Another example, children like to be at liberty to do as they please. Here the word liberty is an uncountable noun. Please do not take liberties with the law. Here liberties is the countable noun. Some nouns are always used in the singular. They do not change into the plural form. Abstract nouns such as fun, freedom, music, permission, employment, education, etc. Common nouns such as equipment, aircraft, furniture, luggage, etc. Material nouns silver, gold, iron, etc. Example, you need the principal's permission if you want to go home early. Another example, this ornament is made of silver. However, we can use the quantifier a piece of and express the amount or number of some of the nouns. Example, every piece of furniture in this shop is antique. There are too many pieces of furniture in this room. Actually, they have no plural form, but we can express the amount or number of these nouns by using the word a piece of. The quantity of uncountable nouns such as oil, cloth, and gold can be denoted by using countable nouns before them. Example, 3 liters of oil, 5 meters of clothes, a pinch of salt. That's all for today. Do the exercise on page number 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 and 20. The answer key of these exercises are attached in the notes. Check it. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.